Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, I will tell you the sums of exercise 10.4 of the time chapter. Yes students, in these sums there are some special things and important things to remember. Yes, so while doing the sums I will tell you those special things. Yes. And students, be ready to study with me. Take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes students, in 10.4 exercise there are the sums of conversion. Convert means change. Convert means change. These sums are very much important sums. This exercise is so much important, so do this exercise very much carefully. Yes, now see what is the first sum. Convert the following into days. First is given 3 years. First part is 3 years. Yes, here before doing this sum, I want to tell you that to 3 years we have to write in days. Means years को हमने days में convert करना है. 3 years को हमने days में convert करना है. Yes, firstly A part is there. 3 years into days. Yes, for this one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that is important thing that I am going to write. 1 year. In 1 year there are 365 days. This you have to keep in mind. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Then in 3 years 365 and this 3, these both will be multiplied. 365 multiplied by 3. When we will multiply it, we will do multiplication in a rough work. Yes, 365 multiplied by 3. 3 5s the 15, 1 carry, 3 6 the 18, plus 1 19. Yes, 1 3 3 is a 9 and plus 1 10. Yes, it is 1095 days. Yes, now I am going to take one example. I am telling you this sum again by taking one example. Yes, for example 6 years. 6 years into days. Convert 6 years into days. The statement is given 6 years. हमने 6 से पहले 1 पे आना है. 1 year. 1 year is equal to 365 days. ये चीज़ आपने हमेशा अपने माइंड में लर्न रखनी है, याद रखनी है. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Yes, now question is 6 years. Students, take care of the writing style also. In the same way you have to write as I am writing. Yes, now 365 and this 6, these both will be multiplied. 365 multiplied by 6. Now we will do the multiplication in rough work. 365 multiplied by 6. 6 5s the 30, 3 carry, 6 6 the 36 and 3 39. 3 again carry, 3 6 the 18 and 3 21. Yes, now here we got 2190 days. Like this you can do part D. Part D you will do by yourself. Yes, now let's move on our next sum, that is months. Now here months are given but heading is same, that convert the following into days. Now here months को हमने days में convert करना है. हमने क्या करना है, months को days में convert करना है. Yes, तो months को days में convert करने के लिए the important thing that you have keep in your mind, what is that? I am going to solve B part, that is 12 months. 12 months को आपने days में convert करना है. Yes, तो first of all 12 is given statement, तो हमने 1 month पे आ जाना है. 12 की बजाय firstly we will write 1 month. In 1 month how many days? 30 days. In 1 month we write always 30 days. Yes students, now you will be get confused that sometimes in the year, in the month there are 31 days, sometimes 30 days. In February month you are having 28 days, sometimes 29 days. Yes, so here don't get confused. While doing the conversion sums, while doing these type of changes in time chapter, always we take 1 month is equal to 30 days. हम ना ही 31 लेते हैं, ना 28 लेते हैं, ना ही 29 लेते हैं. वी ऑलवेज कंसिडर, हम हमेशा क्या मानते हैं, 1 month is equal to 30 days. Yes, now 1 month is equal to 30 days, and here question is of 12 months. Now 12 months into days, 12 months. What we will do here now, 30 multiplied by 12. 30 multiplied by 12. Yes, when we will do multiplication, we will get 360 days. We will get 360 days. Yes students, now I am giving you example. Yes, now E part you will do by yourself. There is E part, that is also of months. This sum you will do by yourself. Yes, here I am going to tell you one example. Yes, convert 3 months into days. 3 months into days. Yes, now question is of 3 months, but we will write 1 month. 1 month is equal to 30 days. Firstly, we will write 1 month is equal to 30 days. Now question is of 3 months, we will write 3 months. Now what we will do, 30 and 3, these both will be multiplied. 30 multiplied by 3, yes, it will become 90 days. It will become 90 days. Yes students, in the same way you will try E part, you will get the answer. Yes, now I am going to solve C part. Here the thing is of weeks. Here what is written, weeks. Heading is same. Now वीक्स को हमने डेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. नाउ व्हाट टू डू, वी विल कन्वर्ट वीक्स इनटू डेज. हाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट? फॉर डूइंग दिस पार्ट वी मस्ट नो दैट हाउ मेनी डेज इन 1 वीक. हमें ये पता होना ज़रूरी है कि हाउ मेनी डेज इन 1 वीक. यस, नाउ 14 डेज को कन्वर्ट करना है हमने, सॉरी 14 वीक्स. 14 वीक्स को हमने कन्वर्ट करना है डेज में. yes, how we will do, firstly we will write 1 week. 1 week how many days, 7 days. In 1 week how many days, 7 days. And in 14 weeks how many days will be there, 7 multiplied by 14, or we can write 14 multiplied by 7. yes, when we will multiply it, we will multiply this in rough work. 4 7s are 28. If you know the table of 14, then it is very good for you. Here 9. Yes, what we will get, 98 days. Yes, now I am telling you one example relating to this. Yes, example is convert 8 weeks into days. Convert 8 weeks into days. yes, now 8 weeks are there, but firstly we will write 1 week. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days, and 8 weeks is equal to this 7 and this 8. These both will be multiplied. 7 multiplied by 8, 7 8s the 56 days. yes, now in 8 weeks there are 56 days. yes friends, in the same way you will do F part like this. I hope you have understood these first part, first sum, all the parts. Do the practice of these sums. These are very easy sums. Be positive regarding this. With the practice you will be easily able to do these sums. So hoping for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.